Good morning, everyone. Jeff Laporte from MINI of Fairfield County here with another tutorial. Today we're going to be going over Apple CarPlay. Make sure your phone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on before we get started. So for you to connect your phone, you're first going to go to Connect Telephone, and it's on this main screen here. So you really can choose where you're at. I'll hit Connect Telephone and Connect New Device. And now this is searching for my phone. So if you take a look at my cell phone over here, when I go down here, it'll show the number to the car, which is on the screen. I'll hit it. And when I hit it, the car will ask me to hit OK. I'll also press pair on my cell phone. I'll press allow. And then if you give it a second, it'll ask me to use Apple CarPlay. So I'll hit connect. And then on the main screen, I have to connect Apple CarPlay. Once I do that, it gives me the option. I'll always check yes for use Siri. That'll come in helpful later. And continue. So it's going to take a while to get your contacts and calendar events. This is my phone, mirrored on the screen here. These are my maps and all of the applications on my phone that are compatible with the car. So another benefit to having Apple CarPlay is that Siri is also connected to the car, or whatever assistant if you're using Android Auto. Since we're all about safety, you can use Siri from the steering wheel. There's a microphone button. And if you initially just tap it, you use the assistant that's in the car. But if you press and hold the button, then it forces Siri on your phone. And Siri can do your talk to text, make your phone calls from your contacts, or even use your map that's on your phone. Now, if in case you need to connect another device or change which device is connected, the easiest way is to hit the home button, then hit these burger bar and go down to mobile devices. Worry not, everything is in alphabetical order. Once you get to mobile devices, you'll be able to connect another device, switch which device is connected, or even change your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to just Bluetooth or just telephone. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's Apple CarPlay tutorial, and stay tuned for more to come. Thank you.